a Japanese store, and this is the result. That's quite a good surprise. A good surprise. Okay, hello dear friends, good evening. So I will continue blah blah blah, and so it's a weekend, and everything is very usual and nothing heavy, just these little tedious things, and I enjoyed quite well. And to be with family and see family happy together, and it's just nothing significant, but it's so full and so real and so solid. This happiness makes me happy, and I can go out by myself to do shopping if I need. And there are a lot of times that I go with my family to Home Depot, or to, what is the other one? Osh Hardware Supply. And it's just, it's a family outing for us. I feel very happy. Okay, there is no way I can keep it. So this video is a loser's opening. I say it's loser because I paid everything, I buy everything by myself. There's nobody sponsor me for any of these, and I'm very much enjoying this loser opening, because it's something that I need, I like, and I spend very much time in front of the shell, in front of the counter, the shell, and look around and search. Why it's not coming out? Anyway, and finally got them, and it's very special. Oh, I love it. This is so small. I want something teeny tiny small, and this is not too expensive. It's just perfect. The small size is just perfect. I want something small so that I can travel along with. Maybe later on we will do a macro lens, but life is just these small, teeny tiny small things makes our life so real and so solid. And I thought about asking some companies to sponsor me, to send me something, but eventually I was thinking I can afford it, and to spend a few dollars to buy things and look at it, it's there is a special a need, and I have a special connection to it. So I went to Target, and in front of the detergent and hand wash counter or shelf, I spent so long time just hesitating and deciding this, deciding that, debating with myself. That is very meditating, relieving, relaxing, and just very interesting. And I have my value proposition. I have my decision. Nothing fragmented, no fragment, no flavor, no aroma, no perfume, no color, and choose something that. Anyway, so what I'm talking about, just want to share with you this moment of joy, the moment of savoring this most insignificant moment in our life. And that is so beautiful and so insignificant, so real. Okay, now I think we can do a close up. Let me put on my macro lens. Whoa. Gosh, it's so hard to find the right song. It's quite glittering. I will put it here. Do it again. This is as good as I can get. Maybe I should not have this. Okay, let's try it again. Then we cannot. Okay. leave the light away. Oh, oh, too dark. Whoa. Whoa. That's very hard to zoom. Okay, I will stop here. You have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week ahead of you. I love you, I really do.
De los baches, sí terminaron todos los niveles. Sí, ahora estoy haciendo los flex, ahora voy a, ya terminé esto y voy a, voy a dar noche a los flex. No sabes si acabo de hacer packing, los postes packing o algo de packing. Todavía queda una mesa, queda la mesa esa y quedan dos carros. Entonces se puede poner. Sí, no, después de eso les cae. Entonces después de venir.
Do you know where the batteries are?
Yeah, like some electronics.
Okay.
They have like a fly. Sí, only repair.
Okay, I wasn't sure if you like sold or
Yeah, actually we do have them like sometimes like main like actually like
okay. Sure.
Oliver is gonna watch over
Okay.
it. Like spread out.
Cool. Okay, I'll go look. Thank you.
Oh, no, no, no.